What is going on? What is going on? She asked me to call her, and she's rejecting my calls. Doesn't make sense.
Because she knows the truth already.
What truth, Mama?
One of us was here earlier, and I told her that you've gotten a wife from the village, and she ran out. Guess she couldn't take it.
Mama, what did you do? Mama, what have you done?
Jason, the earlier you come to the village and pay Ngozika's bride price and forget about this in one house, Ogini?
Mama, the relationship took years to build. The relationship, I put in everything to make it work, Mama. That is the relationship I love with all my heart for the first time. You destroyed it for me. Mama, what did I do to deserve this?
Forget about it.
What have I done, Mama, to deserve this?
I've been telling you and I don't want to listen. Forget about her. You're crying for a woman. Jesse. Ah! Jesus. Hey! Jesse. Igwe!
Mama!
Go. Ah, Jesus.
Oga! Oga! Oga!
I'll take my son.
Oga!
Jesse!
Oga!
Nurse Clara.
Oh.
Why are you wearing a gloomy look?
I'm fine. I'm very fine, thank you.
Do you mind sharing what's used?
Dr. George, I'm really fine. I can manage.
No problem. Share this house out.
It's nothing I can't handle. I'm okay.
Okay. You know, I'll always be here. Anytime you want to say anything, you can come
I
around.
trust you. Thank you. Hello? Ikwe, what's going on? He fainted? What happened? Wait, what? Is he okay? How is he? What happened? Come in there now. Hello, Ngozika. Kedu? Good evening. Keki mere? Ngozi, I think we should just forget about this whole thing. Just wait for your own husband. Your husband will find you. Please. I'm getting tired of all this whole thing. Ngozi, I am not the one to marry you. It's Justin. And he has refused to. So what do you want me to do? I don't want to lose my only child. Ngozi, what is wrong with you? Are you yelling at me? See, the person that's supposed to marry you refused to marry you. So what do you expect me to do? Just forget about it. I am tired. I can't push through again. Ngozi, you are insulting me. You dare not, and you know it. Inanuya? Hello? Hello? Really? She hung up on me. Look at the girl I was telling my son to get married to. Insulting me, Victoria. What is wrong with girls of nowadays? Jovita that is not up to 20-something years. She's a red flag. Even in Ngozi, I thought that she's a good girl. She's also a red flag. Hey, me, Victoria. Ngozi is insulting me. So bad, no problem. I don't blame her.
Jason. 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 Jason.
Clara. Twice you saved my life. And I really appreciate it. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. You will never go wrong in my eyes.
You said it was an emergency. I couldn't do anything. I couldn't get anything. I just rushed down.
This is the emergency.
Oh, yes, it is.
Please. I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Yes, you said it was an emergency. You got me rushing off.
Thank you.
Oh, God, no. Oh, God.
Thank you.
You said it was an emergency.
No, thank you so much. Okay? I love you.
Changed my whole life. So take my hand and I never let go.
Babe.
Yeah, man. How are you?
I'm good. Babe, I'm curious.
Curious about what?
Is there something going on between you and Jason?
Something like what?
Ever since he got discharged, he hasn't come here and you haven't gone to visit him. So what's the problem?
Cindy, why are you always bringing Jesse in any of our conversation? Why?
Are you sure nothing is wrong between you and Jason?
There's nothing wrong between me and Jesse. I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Are you sure?
There's nothing going on. There's nothing going on between me and Jesse.
I know something is up. And I'll go all out to find out why you cut ties with your best friend.
I think the best thing to do is to leave you go upstairs. Let me go upstairs. I don't understand. Every time Jesse. If you like Jesse, tell me you like Jesse. Don't understand. Stop telling me just.
Oh, some of them will be there when it's good, but then they envy you. Oh, konye mama do le bon madu. That's the law of the game.
Yes. I am here to warn you. Stay away from my man, Jason, right? I'm sorry, this is all you came here to do? Oh, you think it's not important? I am here to warn you. I know we had our misunderstanding, we had our differences, but fine, we're working on it, okay? Don't jump on him.
No, you should carry your head in shame. The man has broken up with you and he's moved on with me.
Says who? That's a big lie. I made a mistake. I've learned. I am better now, all right? You're not his mother. Stay away from him.
This is a hospital premises. The next time you come here to threaten me, you'll see the other side of me.
You lie. I don't threat. I do promises. And I'm promising you the next time I come here to visit you, you will like me. Mark my word. You are not his mother. You're not going to be his wife. I am his wife. And nobody's going to take that away from me. Not even you. You're a nurse. Stick to that. Old hack. Ugly thing. Husband snatcher. Look at you. Stay away from Jason. Nonsense.
Nurse Clara, I want to see you.
Oh, okay.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
It's about what I told you.
Doctor, I already told you no. The reason is because my ex was a medical doctor and dating a doctor again will just remind me of so much. I can't afford that.
Who did you choose over me?
It's not a case of choosing. Yes, I'm newly engaged, but it's not a case of choosing. It's a decision. Besides, we work in the same establishment. I just really can't.
You feel who you chose is better than me?
No, it's not. It's just a decision, doctor. I'm seeing somebody already.
It's fine. If you feel who you chose is better, it's fine.
Why is he furious?
What nonsense. What is all this, for God's sake? How can she be this insensitive? Can you just imagine? Who does that? Hello there.
Hello?
I'm so sorry. What happened between you and Jovinta?
So you know?
Yes, I do. She called me and she was ranting.
Same here. She was ranting and shouting and threatening. I honestly hope you can put her to order. I mean, those kind of threats, one can get arrested.
It's okay, baby. Where are you?
I'm on my way home.
Can we see?
I'll have to turn my car around.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Na 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 na. Your love has found me. Changed my whole my life has changed. Given me a chance to love you. Your love has found me. Changed my whole life. So take my hand and I never let go. Never let go.
What are you doing in front of my house?
Jovita, I've been waiting for you for like forever.
Are you okay? You're waiting for me for what? Listen, I am warning you. Stay away from me. Take your ugly face away from me. Alright? For your own best interest. Stay away from me. I am warning you now.
Jovita, I thought we had something.
We had nothing. All that was a mistake. And I regret doing such mistake with you. It will never happen again.
Jovita, I don't want you to call it a mistake. I know we started on a wrong note, but we can actually make all this work.
Make what work?
Us. We can make us work.
There is no us. Alright? Don't even think about it. I am not going to give you a chance. You're not better than Jason. I'd rather remain single than to be with you. There's no us. You're nothing compared to Jason. That's it.
Jason. You have Jason. If he's whatever you mention he is, why did you come to me? Why did you come to me? Why did you cheat on him with me? I am the real man. You know that. You screamed my name. You called me everything. You told me everything.
Shut up!
And now, this... Let's make this work, please.
No! I'm not interested. Alright? Just stop coming to my house. Stay away. Nonsense.
Some of them will be there when it's good, but then they envy you. Okunye mama do lebon madu. That's the law of the game. They are always close to you, looking in like a predator. Beware, them know the right time for face, right time for face. So who's afraid? Who's afraid? You never know till everything changes. Who's afraid? Who's afraid?
Hi, Jason.
How have you been?
I'm fine, I'm good, Jason.
What happened to your car?
I'm just there checking all of a sudden. I don't know. I don't know. I don't understand. I've been meaning to come to your house to see you.
Is everything okay?
It's between you and what's happening between you and Sammy? You guys stop being friends. What's going on?
Nothing happened. You should ask him.
I've been asking Sammy. He keeps saying I shouldn't talk anything about you. That I don't want to hear anything about you. I don't understand. What's going on?
That's what evil men do. Yes. Evil men that shy away from their mistakes. That is what they do.
How? Evil? How? I don't understand.
You want to know what he did to me?
No, tell me.
At my lowest time, when I needed him the most,
Yeah.
went to my house, packed all my properties, and sold them.
What?
Yes. He even went up to the extent of telling the doctor that is treating me to kill me.
No.
Yes. You want to inherit all my wealth. You want to be rich overnight.
What? Sammy did that to you?
He did it. Go home. Ask him.
What?
It's okay. So, have you called a mechanic?
Yeah, he's on his way here.
Okay, so you can't stand here for security reasons.
Yeah.
Okay? So please go into the car, okay? So I need to go now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
So I'll see you.
Yeah.
Please, if you reach home, ask him what I told you. Okay?
Okay.
So just go into the car for security reasons.
All right.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Beware, them know the right time for face, right time for face. So who's afraid? Who's afraid? You never know till everything changes. Who's afraid? Who's afraid? You never know till everything changes. Yeah. Who's afraid? Who's afraid?
Oh, God.
Be welcome.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm good.
Please, get my food ready. I did not do lunch today because of my busy schedule.
I met Jason today.
Cindy, I said I'm very hungry. I had a long day.
Why didn't you want to tell me what was going on between you and Jason?
Cindy, I don't want to get mad at you. I'm very hungry.
Did you ask Dr. George to remove Jason's life support when he was in coma in the hospital? Did you ask him to do that? Oh, you're shocked. You didn't know they were going to tell him?
I'm sure Nurse Clara told her that.
Why are you so mean? Why are you wicked? How can you do this to your best friend? Don't even think you tried to steal from your best friend. Why? Samuel, who are you? Who are you?
If you ask me one more question, I will hit you very hard.
Hit me! Hit me!
I should hit
You're
you?
so evil and mean. I don't want. I'm done with you. I'm done with this relationship. You're evil.
I should hit you.
How can you be this wicked? Hit me!
I should hit you.
Hit me! Hit me! Hit me!
Are you mad? Come on, leave this place. Leave this place. Come on, stay here. Come on, stay here. Are you mad? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Are you mad? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Are you mad? Are you crazy? What's the problem? Why would you be trying to me in my own house? In my own house? Why?
You want to kill me? You wicked man, murderer, evil man,
You're still calling me a murderer?
evil man.
You're still calling me a
You're a
murderer?
murderer. Evil.
Some of them will be there when it's good, but then they envy you. Okunye mama do lebon madu. That's the law of the game. They are always close to you.
my son's wedding to the love of his life was successful. I can't believe I have a daughter-in-law now. And my son has a very good wife. Victoria, very soon you are going to have grandchildren. And I know I will make a very good mother-in-law and a good grandmother. So help me God.
I found the one I want. She's the one I need. No one else will do. She's everything I want. I owe you all my life. You gave me all your strength. I cannot look away anymore. You are the one for me. Your love has found me, changed my whole life, giving me a chance to love you. Your love has found me, changed my whole life. Take my hand, never let go, never let go. In my deepest hour, 'cause you've shown me light, and that is where I wanna stay. Now my eyes are open wide, now I can see the one that loved me for who I am, not what I am. Na 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 na.